Hi, welcome to a quick walkthrough video of Spiritual Routine Tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your spiritual routine under one glance. So on the right side, we can see that there is a routine over here where you can put the day over here and then you can specify the date. So as you click over here, you can start entering your day over here, and then once you click over here, it opens up the calendar where you can put the date, and after that you can simply specify the day on which you are going to track the routine. So you can put the day over here like day 1, day 2, day 3, so on and so forth, until unless you are not completing the routine. And when you are starting a particular routine, you can put the start date over here. So once you click on this progress, you will find start date over here and the end date. So you can just simply put the start date over here. And we are going to finish the routine. Just click over here and select the end date. This will help keep track of all the routine that comes in between. And then you can see there is a habit which is given here one by one. So we have got meditation, we have got prayer, we have got yoga, we have got reading, we have also got journaling. You can change this if you wish to do so. So simply click on this and simply edit this input given over here, and you can define a new routine for yourself. And if you click over here and scroll it to the right, it will open up entirely for your one glance. Okay. So once this is done, you can simply click on this checkbox, which will help keep track of all your routine. You can see the percentage is also increasing. And even when you click any of this checkbox, you can see that this progress and the count will also update. Okay. So as you keep ticking all the routines that you have set for yourself, this progress and the count will eventually update and will help keep track of all your progress in one glance. On the top, we have also got day-wise progress, which shows every day how much you have accomplished. So as you keep checking this tick box, it again completes everything in one glance. Okay. So this defines the entire spiritual routine that you can set for yourself. Again, this template is entirely customizable for your requirement. If you want to customize this template further, feel free to reach out to me at craftmyproduct@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.